Class 7th, Subject Mathematics. Chapter 12, Algebraic Expressions, Exercise 12.3. Till now, children, we learnt about addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, its parts, and so on. Now we are going to study here how to substitute the value of the given variable in the equation or expression. Since an algebraic expression contains a variable, we can evaluate the expression if we are given what the variable equals. Like here, expression is m plus 5. The value of m is equal to 8. Now we have to solve the expression. Let us replace m by 8 because the value of m is 8. So 8 plus 5, it makes 13. Step by step, we are going to solve. So let's see first question of exercise 12.3. Here are 5 parts given where we have to replace the value of m with 2. So let's see the first part, children. First part is m minus 2. Solution. From the question it is given that m is equals to 2. Then substitute the value of m in the question. Means 2 minus 2. And the answer will be 0. Now the next part, fourth part, 3m square minus 2m minus 7. From the question it is given that we have to replace m with 2. So let us substitute the value of m. 3 into 2 raised to the power 2. Now here you can see 2 raised to the power 2 is written. Means the value of 2 will be multiplied 2 times. 2 into 2, 4 multiplied by 3 minus 2 into m means 2 into 2 makes 4 minus 7 because there is no m here. So 12 minus 4 minus 7 is equals to 12 minus 11 and the answer will be 1. Now next part, 5m by 2 minus 4. Here also m is equal to 2. So 5 into 2 upon 2 minus 4. 2 will be cancelled by 2. 5 will remain. So we are going to subtract 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Only we have to replace the value of m by 2 here. Now next is question 2. If p is equal to minus 2, find the value of. Here 3 parts are given. Some parts I am going to explain and few parts you can do in homework. So let's see the first part of the given question. 4p plus 7. From the question it is given that value of p is equal to minus 2. Substitute the value of p in the question like we did in the first question. 4 into minus 2 plus 7. 4 into minus 2 means minus 8 plus 7. Minus 8 is bigger, so minus 1 will be the answer. Second part, minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7 is equal to minus 3 multiplied by square of minus 2 plus 4 multiplied by minus 2 plus 7. Here you can see, children, that we have replaced wherever the p was written, we have replaced it by minus 2. So 3 into 4 minus 8 plus 7. So 3 into 4 is minus 12 minus 8 plus 7. It makes minus 20 plus 7. Answer will be minus 13. Show the steps. Question number 3. Here we have to replace x is equal to minus 1 in the given expression. 4 parts are given. We are going to solve some here. First part, 2x minus 7. From the question it is given that x is equal to minus 1. Substitute the value of x in the question. So 2 into minus 1 makes minus 2. 7 will remain as it is. So in the next step, minus 2 minus 7, answer will be minus 9. Next part is third part, x square plus 2x plus 1. From the question x is equal to minus 1, we are going to substitute the value of x. Minus 1 whole square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 1. Square of minus 1 will be 1 only. 2 into minus 1 means minus 2 plus 1. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Be very careful while solving the questions, children, and show the steps very clearly and neatly. Now question 4. Here we have to replace two values. A and B are the two variables given. For A we have to replace 2 and for B we have to put the value as minus 2. Three parts are given. We are going to solve one by one. First part, A square plus B square. From the question it is given that A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 2. Let us substitute the value as we did in the earlier questions. 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. 2 square means 2 into 2 makes 4. Now minus 2 square will also result in positive 4, because if you remember the rules of integers, I told you that minus minus makes plus, and in case of multiplication the signs get added up and there is the sign of addition. Same thing we are going to apply over here, and keep in mind the rules always. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Pattern of solving all the questions are similar, only there is a difference of algebraic expression in all the questions. Now question number 5. Again here are two variables given in all the parts. If you see, A and B. For A we have to put the value 0 and for B we have to put the value as minus 1 and then find the value of the given expressions. Here are four parts given. Let us see. First part, 2A plus 2B, when A is equal to 0 and B is equal to minus 1. Let us substitute the value of A and B. So 2 into 0 plus 2 into minus 1. 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2 answer. Next part, 2A square B plus 2B square plus AB. Value of A in the question is given as 0 and B is equal to minus 1. Let us substitute the value of A and B in the question. 2 into 0 square into minus 1 plus 2 into 0 into minus 1 square plus 0 into minus 1. Anything which is multiplied by 0 will definitely result in 0. So all terms will end up in 0 and the answer will be 0. Sixth question, simplify the expression and find the value of x if x is equal to 2. So the value of x we have to place here as 2. Here are four parts given in the question. We are going to solve some of the parts here. So let us see what does the first part ask. X plus 7 plus 4 in the bracket x minus 5. So we are going to put the value of x as 2. Wherever x is written we are going to replace by 2. Let us see the solution. We have x plus 7 plus 4x minus 20. We have multiplied here 4 with the bracket of x minus 5. So here you can see that we have written 4x minus 20. Now next step, 5x plus 7 minus 20. Now let us substitute the value of x. We have simplified the expression. 5 into 2 in one bracket plus 7 minus 20. 5 into 2, 10 plus 7 minus 20. Now 17 minus 20 is equal to minus 3 is the answer. Second part, 3 multiplied by the bracket of x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7. From the question it is given that x is equal to 2. We have 3x plus 6. We have multiplied 3 by x, then multiplied 3 by 2. So we got 3x plus 6. Now 5x has been copied as it is minus 7. Next step, 8x minus 1. We have added all the x terms and the constant terms separately. Then substitute of value of x. Now 8 into 2 minus 1. 16 minus 1, the answer is 15. Next part, 4 multiplied by the bracket of 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. From the question it is given that x is equal to 2. We have 8x minus 4. Like in the previous part we have multiplied with the bracket the constant number given outside it. Same way we are going to multiply here 4 with the bracket of 2x minus 1. So we will get 8x minus 4 plus 3x plus 11. x and x terms will be added and constant terms will be added. 11x plus 7, we have got the expression. Now we will substitute x is equal to 2. 11 into 2, 22 plus 7 equal to 29 is the answer. Question number 7. Simplify the expressions. Here 3 variables are given in different parts. You can see. First 2 parts x is given, third part a, fourth part b, and fifth part a and b. Now let's see first part. We will put the value of x as 3 here. So 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. We are going to simplify it and we will get 2x plus 4. So 2 into 3, as x is equal to 3 plus 4, it makes 10. Fourth and fifth part, 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. We are going to simplify the term. We will get as minus 8b minus 6. So here we are going to replace b by minus 2. Minus 8 into minus 2 plus 6. So 16 plus 6 is equal to 22. Similarly, fifth part has been solved. You can have a look, try to understand it and do it. Question number 8. If z is equal to 10, find the value of z cube minus 3 multiplied by the bracket of z minus 10. Let us see the solution. We have z cube minus 3z plus 30, as we have multiplied 3 with the bracket of z minus 10. So 10 raised to the power 3 minus 3 into 10 plus 30. 10 into 10 into 10 makes 1000. So 1000 minus 30 plus 30. Answer will be 1000. Second part. If p is equal to minus 10, find the value of p square minus 2p minus 100. From the question it is given that p is equal to minus 10 and we have the question as p square minus 2p minus 100. Substitute the value of p in the equation. Minus 10 whole square minus 2 into minus 10 minus 100. 100 plus 20 minus 100. So 100 will be cancelled both, only what will be left over? 20. 20 is the required answer. Ninth question. What should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5 when x is equal to 0? Value of x is given and we have to find out the value of a here. Okay. So let us see. From the question it's given that x is equals to 0. Question is 2x square plus x minus a is equal to 5. So a is the variable which we have to write on the left is equal to 2x square plus x minus 5. As x is equal to 0, so a is equal to 2 into 0 raised to the power 2 plus 0 minus 5. 0 plus 0 is 0. What is left over? Minus 5. So the value of a will be minus 5. You have to do the questions very carefully, children. Substitute the value of the variables very carefully. Now last question, 10th. Simplify the expression and find its value when a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 3. And the expression is 2 multiplied the bracket of a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. So the solution, a value is given as 5, b is equal to minus 3. We have 2a square plus 2ab plus 3 minus ab. We will solve and write 2a square plus ab plus 3. Substitute the value of a and b now. 2 into 5 whole square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 3. Wherever there is a used in the equation, we will put the value of a, and wherever b is used, we will put the value of b. 5 square means 25. So 2 into 25 plus minus 15 plus 3. 50 minus 15 plus 3. 53 minus 15, the answer will be 38. So the exercise is over, children. Thank you and have a nice day. Do your work very neatly, carefully, and God bless all.